Hello everyone, it's been a while since we've had a homework video, but we are going through a trickier concept right now, and so I thought this video would really help, especially on tonight's homework. Tonight's homework is for Unit 6, Lesson 8, and the thing we talked about in class today were these 5 steps. Again, you might want to pause your computer or phone on this frame right here so that your child can remember to follow these 5 steps. It's going to be very, very helpful in solving each of these problems. So the first thing we always want to do when solving these comparison problems is draw comparison bars. This is language that we are very used to in first grade. Comparison bars are one big bar on top, one small bar on the bottom, and then a circle, and that's going to always show the difference. So I first always draw the comparison bars. Next, I'm going to read the problem and figure out what is more and what is less. I need to figure out what is more and what is less so that I can label my boxes. This box obviously is going to show what's more. This box is going to show what's less. So my problem says Toby has 12 balloons. Roberto has 5 balloons. I need to stop and think. A good mathematician always takes their time and figure out who has more. Well, I can see that Toby has more. Toby has 12. So I'm going to put a T here because I know that Toby has the most. He needs the biggest rectangle. Roberto has 5. So I'm going to put an R here because Roberto has the less. Once I have figured out who has more and who has less, I'm going to fill in the information that I know. So I know that Toby has 12 balloons. I also know that Roberto has 5 balloons. That is all the information that my question gives me. Once I put in the information that I know, I'm going to solve. And when I solve, I want to make the top and bottom the same. This is what we talk about. The top here is 12. My goal is to make the bottom here the same, to make it 12 as well. So I ask myself, I already have 5. How do I get from 5 to 12? What do I need to add to make this bottom portion 12? I can count on, I can draw a picture, or I can just know that 7 is what I need to make 12. So now my top and the bottom are the same. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to answer the question. This is something we sometimes forget, and sometimes if we don't read the question carefully, we get the wrong answer. The question is, how many more balloons does Toby have than Roberto? More is my difference. So Tony has 7 more. So I'm going to write 7 more balloons than Roberto.